Facebook, answering Dad's message. So, let's see. So you said yesterday, "Hi Dad, I love to, Dad. Are you in the plane?" And Daddy just said, "No, Nico, I just landed today. See you tomorrow, Tuesday, around 5. So what do you want to ask him, answer him back? And? No. Oh, you're copying what Daddy wrote. What about? Take my hand. Not corrected. Would you like that Daddy's coming today at 5 o'clock to pick you up? Yes or no? Y, E, S, yes. Yes. I, W, oops, yes, I, W-A-N-T, I want, T, oh, great, yes, I want to. Oh, bless you. Bless you. I want to. But let's go back and put a period there. Yes. Good. Yes. I want to. What else can you say to Dad? What else? I, space, will, W, I, L, good, I will, B, E, that's right, B, waiting, that's right, W, what's next? Oh, correct it. A, whoops, I, T, I, and G. I will be waiting. D. Correct it. One more. I will be waiting for F. Correct it, dude. F. O. R. That's right. For. Y. O. U. Finish it. Excellent. Great. Yes, I want to. I will be waiting for you. Want to say anything else? B, T, correct it. B, Y, E. Good. Bye. Now, let's put a period. Period. Excellent, Nico. Very good. Yes, I want to. I will be waiting for you. Bye.